You want to know the secret to loving the real estate business? Check this video out. Hey everybody, it's Gregory Martier, local team leader, coach, mentor. So you want to know how to love this business. You probably already love it if you're doing it. You got to love people. You want to love helping people, but name your client. Name your ideal client. You decide who you want to work with. Maybe it's first-time home buyers. Maybe it's investors, or maybe it's folks downsizing or upsizing or right-sizing, as they call it here in 2021. Maybe it's folks that have a house to sell and then want to trade up, or investors that are trading up. So name your ideal client and then focus on just getting that business. That is going to be a game changer for you. Then you're not dealing with people you don't want to deal with. Maybe you want to deal with folks that are looking to lease or rent places. Maybe you don't. Maybe you want to deal with investors. Maybe you don't. Choose and name and identify your ideal client. 20 to 30 years old, first-time home buyers in the $300,000 range in and around the Philadelphia metro. Boom, right there. Maybe it's condo people looking to buy condos. Maybe it's vacation rentals. Point being is there's so much business out there. There's a lot for everybody. If you name your ideal client, you'll enjoy it a lot more, because that's the kind of person you already want to work with, and then you'll attract that person. Well, I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit thumbs up, hit like, hit comment. If you didn't like it, that's okay. Let us know that too. We can take it. We do answer all communication. Give me a call, shoot me a text anytime. Appreciate your time today. Have a great day, everybody.